FAMATEC Friendly is unique in the handling sector and was developed to handle flat products such as panels, glass, marble slabs, etc. of various shapes. Operating with compressed air only, its versatility is unique for a product of this kind, while the design is attractive and all details are very carefully worked out, leading to manipulator that's functional, reliable and safe, at a price that's lower than for any other similar system available on the market. FAMATEC Friendly is made up essentially of a basic machine unit that can be configured as to the customer's needs. Let's see now how it works. FAMATEC Friendly is controlled via a practical console and has a brake that lets us stop the load and hold it in position. When there is no load, the manipulator is perfectly balanced. Moving the FAMATEC Friendly over its operation range is very simple and effortless. The rotary couplings placed on the main axis allow any type of movement without twisting or tangling any pipes. There are walls or obstacles that require the operation range to be limited. Rotation stops can be provided. In the case of vertical obstacles represented by particular limits or structures, we only need to adjust the vertical travel stops to limit the maximum height. The operator can simply and quickly adjust the handle height so that it always at an ergonomic position as to his height and to the minimum and maximum working heights. Gripping the product is very simple. The operator quickly adjusts the suction pads in both directions and can align them for long, narrow products. Pressing the product gripping button on the console activates the specially designed FAMATEC vacuum system that let us grip the product quickly and safely, provided the full pads are all in contact. The vacuum system could guarantee lift of a flat product weighing even 3 times the specified maximum FAMATEC Friendly load. The arrangement and form of the pads guarantee a safe hold on flat products, even in the case of an accidental or intentional attempt to detach the load. A special joint placed before the pads guarantees gripping even for products that are not completely flat, as in the case, for example, of a metal sheet resting on 2 supports. After gripping the product, a practical handle let us balance it. If the products to be handled are all of the same weight, the balance adjustment is done only once, i.e. the first time. FAMATEC Friendly is now balanced, and with minimum effort we can move the product. The console has a button to help the operator during lifting and lowering of particularly heavy products. During any job, the operator can adjust the console to the most comfortable position. Thanks to the practical controls on the console, FAMATEC Friendly can rotate the load up to 180 degrees with respect to the equipment and can tilt it up to 90 degrees with smooth, progressive movement. During the tilting phase, the operator is moved away from the load to avoid any collision or dangerous position. This allows carrying out movements that, even in the case of limited weights, could be very dangerous for the operator. A system developed by FAMATEC allows quick adjustment of the maximum inclination between 70 and 90 degrees, thus bringing the load as near as possible to the release condition. Thanks to rotation, inclination and perfect balancing, the product can be moved and guided even by hand to ensure maximum precision, sensitivity and safe positioning. FAMATEC Friendly can also be locked in position to allow any processing operations needed. The load is released solely by pressing the release buttons at the same time. If the operator accidentally releases the product before reaching destination, a special anti-release system developed by FAMATEC will accompany the product until it is supported, avoiding any dangerous fall. With FAMATEC Friendly, a complete handling cycle time varies from 15 to 20 seconds as to the characteristics of the production.